Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Chandrima Misra, clinical psychologist, psychotherapist, Minds Matter. Today, I wish to speak to you about how to prevent negative mental health impacts such as anxiety, sadness, depression, tension, worry, feelings of overwhelm, feelings of being out of control during this COVID crisis, quarantine, and lockdown. In my therapeutic conversations with my clients who are dealing with crises in general and those who are dealing specifically with COVID crisis, we have realized asking ourselves these three pertinent questions can help us feeling less overwhelmed. Firstly, we are consistently bombarded with information how COVID is that crisis which has brought the human race to its knees and us to our knees. Quite a daunting feeling, isn't it? However, what if we also focus on asking ourselves what are our coping skills and strengths that have helped us pass through this COVID crisis? What are those set of strengths which have helped us to navigate through this crisis? For example, many of us have realized that during unpredictable times, if we have a structure, or for some, not having a structure and having flexibility has helped us to deal with this crisis. This learning from this crisis can help us to deal with future crises and make us feel confident in those unpredictable times. Secondly, we are constantly bombarded with information regarding how COVID and post-COVID we have to meet a new world. There's going to be a new normal. Instead of worrying how we are going to cope with this new normal, if we also think about what are we going to do differently in this new world, what are those things we are going to change, what are those toxic maladaptive things that we have done prior to COVID that we are going to do differently in this new world. For example, many of us may have realized that we have a very poorly tipped work-life balance. Many of us may want to change that. What are those steps that we are going to take to bring about that change? Thirdly, there is a lot of information on social media which talks about all the negative things that are happening during COVID. That can be quite saddening and overwhelming. However, what if we focus on what are the things that we have done right during COVID? What are those values that we have realized are important to us? What are those steps that we are going to take in the future that we live more aligned with these values? For example, many of us may have realized that we are very attached to the cause of the underprivileged, marginalized group of people. What are we going to do differently in the world that we live more aligned with this value system? Hopefully, instead of passively consuming all the information that's available to us, if we ponder in a constructive and focused manner on this question, we may feel less overwhelmed and less anxious and sad. Any of you or all those people who are feeling anxious, overwhelmed by any emotion that are negative, can online consult a licensed clinical psychologist and psychotherapist. The same is available at our center and Minds Matter. All the best.